Hola, namaste and welcome back guys. I'm in the state of Cartagena and at the moment I'm here at the city center and I'm waiting for a tour bus to arrive because today I'm gonna try and experience something so unique, and that is a volcanic mud bath, which is very famous out here. So come join to this unique lifetime experience. Meanwhile, let me show you this old cultural city around. It's a beautiful place here. Here you have the harbor and some ancient churches, monuments, and a beautiful place to walk around. My bus has come, so it's time for me to get into the bus right now. Guys, buenos dias. So I got into the bus, buenos dias. Yeah, so the bus is here. And as I said, it's 1 hour of journey from here to that village. And this is gonna be something very exciting because this is a volcano experience, mud bath in a volcano, guys, an active volcano. So yes, I'm taking a seat right now. And so usually guys, I do not book the tours with the travel agencies. I do it by myself. But this one was a bit difficult as this is completely disconnected from the city center and it's difficult to get a transport and it will consume a lot of time from me. And the amount, the money that I paid to this travel agency, which is almost $45 is similar to the money that I will be spending if I do it by myself. So that is the reason I booked this tour with the agency. Yes, I'm in the bus.
Santa Marta, entre otras. Y al volcán estaremos aproximadamente 30 minutos. El volcán tiene como tal propiedades curativas o medicinales, ya que contiene...
Guys, we got off the bus now and this is the volcano, guys, as you see. This is an active volcano and it is around 50 feet. So we will have to climb this staircase, go all the way up to the crater and then get into that crater and have the mud bath. This is quite interesting, guys. I think it's a lifetime experience. So I got the ticket and let me go up now and I'll show you. Oof. So got my ticket and yes, so we are going up now and we'll show you more about this is the ladder or the staircase that we are going up, and we have changed our clothes now. This looks amazing, guys. The other side you can see the laguna or the lake. Wow. And look at the soil. It is as I said, it's an active volcano. And yes, some time to experience some kind of relaxation. The people, you see some of them are coming down. So this is how this is gonna be. Man, this is crazy. Completely covered in mud from top to bottom. Oh goodness. Okay, so my turn to go up now, guys. So guys, you will not be drowned here because of the viscosity. And this is how it looks like. So there are people who are bathing each eyes. So they believe that this has a healing properties and this also detoxifies, removes the dead skin, and it is a therapy indeed. Look at this, guys. So guys, this is the best experience you can have. This is natural and very therapeutic. Look at this.
La única manera que se me da.
Ahí no va. Que le intenten los ¡Auxilio!
I had an amazing experience here. It's indeed incredible. It's, I would say, not an experience but more of an adventure. So if you are in Colombia, guys, this is something that you should and must try. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Until then, take good care.